Are you looking for supplements that can help you lose weight but aren't able to find any reliable and effective products? If you've explored this market, then you know there are numerous companies selling weight loss supplements, and an ordinary person can be easily confused about which products to buy. Losing weight is difficult or near impossible if your metabolism is not active. You can go to gyms or go on strict diets, but no matter how hard you work out or deny yourself your favorite foods, the weight just won't come off. This is why we created supplements like javaburn, which may help you maintain your metabolism and help activate your dead cells to lose weight quickly. Click the link in description to buy javaburn for the lowest price today. Why do we need such products? Weight loss supplements are essential nowadays. We see our friends or colleagues facing health issues because of unhealthy sleeping or eating schedules. We believe more than 80% of the world's population is suffering from obesity. It is a huge problem, and remedies need to be a priority because obesity can give rise to other hazardous illnesses. About javaburn. Javaburn, just like other dietary supplements, will help you naturally lose weight. It comes as a powder, and all you need to do is mix it into your daily mug of coffee, and you are all done. This supplement is tasteless, so it will not ruin your morning routine, and it comes with numerous benefits. You see its positive effects in 2 to 3 weeks. Javaburn has a natural composition, and all of its ingredients, if taken individually, provide numerous benefits, so putting them together in one supplement may work incredibly well for you. This supplement has no known side effects, instead working for its overall betterment and improving your mental health. You can get javaburn from the official website link in description below, meaning you don't have to leave the house, and you can only even order it from your phone. Not only that, but the site includes various discounts if you buy javaburn in bigger quantities, giving customers multiple ways to save. Click the link in description to get your javaburn coffee.